So you can't sit down here to someone and go tell me who is Jeff.
I told you I don't know who Jeff is.
Stop touching me, man. Me I talk to you.
I told you I don't know who. Probably was the wrong number.
When you're your friend a wrong number?
She probably meant to send that to somebody else. But I don't even know that person who texted me. I don't even know that girl.
You just say your friend. So fuck. Listen to me. No bother with the foolishness. No bother with the foolishness.
So I'm about to do this prank on my man real quick. We're about to go somewhere really fast. I'm about to try to get this prank in and try to set up this camera and stuff before he come outside. And y'all, I don't know how he gonna take this video. I'm about to play a voice note. I told my friend to send me a voice note of saying something about me messing around with somebody for some food. And I haven't even heard the voice note yet, but I already know she gonna kill it. We're about to see how this video go. Make sure if you guys are not a part of the family, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because y'all already know 2025 is going down. All 2025. Anyways, we're trying to get to at least, I don't know, 5,000 subscribers by next year summer. So I can get us there. Yeah, make sure y'all do. Alright, let's go.
Yo, me eat for bumbo clock with police a woman, and anytime you go somewhere and interested and take forever to come. It's late. They never can come on time.
Hey girl, remember me? You gotta meet up with Jeff so he could pay for our hair and nails for the day he's supposed to take us on. Yeah, he told me y'all did some wild things that night when he bought you that cheeseburger with your greedy ass. You so silly.
Wait, your phone connect to the radio? And then something in here? Voicenote, this is somebody tonight?
Cheeseburger, big bag.
Huh? How you tell him bumbo cloud come out? You feel me? Can we have a go figure out what I want?
I think my phone was connected. I was trying to connect my phone upstairs, but I think it was connected to I think it was connected to here. So
yeah, you connected.
Alright, let's go.
You connected to the phone. But before I go, me have a issue, a burning issue.
What happened?
Your phone connected to me your voice note just now.
What voice note you heard?
We just a playing on your phone, I don't know where that come from. But you connect to the radio.
I don't know. What did he say?
What he say?
Yeah.
He said you and Jeff last night or night before last night, you and Jeff you eat some burger or something on the go. Who's Jeff?
I don't know who Jeff is.
You must know who Jeff is because I am your friend that in the voice note. You take voice note you, and I said to you, say, hey girl, what's going on? Whatever, you and Jeff, whatever, like she check up on you and Jeff. Pound no dating zone to go do. What do you?
I didn't go on no date with nobody.
Go back in your phone and play your voice note for your friend, then know you mean you don't go back there. What do you mean by that?
I don't have nobody in my phone that I went out with.
So who is Jeff? Your phone just connect to the car, right? And you play the voice note. Or your friend call you, however that just transpired, it just did. So who is Jeff?
I don't know who Jeff is.
Don't make me and you fall out. Who is Jeff?
How am I supposed to know who Jeff is?
Well, call back your friend and figure out what she talk about, because she just talk to you until you say, like she check up on you and Jeff, or was the date with you and Jeff. So you can't sit down here to someone and go tell me who is Jeff. Like your last.
When did you hear that? Because
Me just say bumbo clock just now. So me I wonder what happened? You slow or something?
How you heard that from my phone? Like,
because your phone connected to the car. It connected to the car, and I just heard that just now. So I'm asking you, who is Jeff? Because again, something triggers me to let me know that you and Jeff went out. So you cheat on me. Who is Jeff?
I'm not cheating on you.
So who is Jeff?
I don't know who Jeff is.
So all your friend I call you ask about Jeff, you and Jeff did for burger.
A burger? I didn't talk to nobody for no burger.
I'm not playing with you number.
But I didn't talk to nobody for no burger. What are you talking about?
I'm not play with you. Who is Jeff? Your friend just call you and check up on you and Jeff date. So I don't know when you and Jeff.
It probably was the wrong number.
When you and Jeff. Your friend a wrong number?
She probably meant to send that to somebody else.
Well, call and figure it out then.
It couldn't have been me that she was talking to. She had to been.
Yeah, she said, "Hey, girl."
She probably was trying to send that to somebody else's phone, not mine.
I want to take black people for. What American I want to take black people for.
But that's probably what she did because.
But what you take black people for?
I don't know who Jeff is. Like, I don't know who Jeff is.
So why your friend would have call your phone and I ask you about the date with Jeff? How coincident that could have been a missed call? I don't understand. That can't be a missed call or missed voice note.
She probably was trying to send it to somebody else and then mistake it came to me.
Oh, see your phone, this is somebody's phone. You take up your phone, me search for your name. So me search for your day. Come here, go click on it and send the voice note. Me can't click on Stacy and send Stacy a voice note. When I know Stacy voice note. So me not understand that. That makes sense.
But I'm telling you, she probably was trying to send it to somebody else and it ended up coming to my phone instead. Or she reversed it and then it came back to my phone instead of the person that she was sending it to.
Listen yourself. Just listen yourself for 5 minutes.
But that's probably what happened.
But listen yourself.
Because I don't know who Jeff is.
But listen
and
yourself.
I never fucked for no burger. Oh!
I got the voice note say. I had the call say.
Jeff.
You know you think me I slap me for slapping your mouth, you know that? You're gonna talk about Jeff.
But I didn't. Babe.
You and your friend I play with people? What do you mean? Who is Jeff? When you went out the other night, where you go? Where you go?
I went to the bar. You even saw videos.
Again, people always show people where they want to show people and they really show people who really go on there, you know? You didn't know that?
But I sent you the videos.
Send me what kind of video? You send me what you want to send me. Just like that.
I went to the bar. I didn't go.
And Jeff was there.
No.
So where Jeff come from?
I don't know what she's talking about. I told you it probably was the wrong number.
Give me your friend number. Let me call your friend. Give me your friend number.
Why you want my friend number?
Come on, know who is Jeff?
But why would you want my friend number for?
So we can know who is Jeff.
Then she's gonna tell you that it was the wrong number.
But she don't know, so me gonna call her, so she can't know that. She can't know that, you know. So me gonna call her and ask her, yo, where Jeff there? Who is Jeff? Because again, if you go call her before, no, now go pretty up on the thing.
How?
They mean how? Because she go cover for you.
How she gonna cover for me if she sent it to the wrong person?
What do you mean how she gonna cover for you? What do you mean how?
How she gonna cover for me if she sent it to the wrong person?
What do you mean how she gonna cover for you? You know your friend?
Yeah, but if she
and your body, so she gonna cover for you. You feel me? That's all I know, to cover for each other. Because you know, I go come in the car and tell me, oh babe, I don't know who is Jeff. I'm just hear the voice note in the car. Jeff. And you're gonna ask me, oh man, I don't know about no Jeff. Say to me for fool too.
Babe, please.
What's wrong? No do all of that. We are talking. Nobody try to nice me up.
Babe, I didn't fuck nobody for no burger.
And that's all you dwell upon constantly, you realize? But you can't even explain who is Jeff.
I told you I don't know who Jeff is.
Stop touching me, man. Me I talk to you.
I told you I don't know who Jeff is.
But your friend send you the voice note though. So me say call her. And that me just said to you that if you can take up your phone and call your friend, if you take yourself out of the problem.
But you should trust me.
Nah, I don't say girl.
Why?
You can't trust somebody when you hear something just now. I hear me hearing and like somebody call me brother and say something to me.
Babe.
Yeah, no man, me not talk to you, man.
Babe.
Me I talk to you, put on your hand now, bro.
But I don't even know that person who texted me. I don't even know that person.
You just say your friend. So fuck, listen me. Nobody with the foolishness. Nobody with the foolishness. You just say I your friend. And you just say, and you don't know where she text you for, she probably text the wrong person. So how you gonna say that now? Stop put yourself in that hole. You're only getting deeper and deeper.
But I don't know the person who texted me.
You just say your friend 20 minutes ago.
I thought that was my friend, but that was the wrong number.
Oh, this man? That makes sense?
It was the wrong number.
That not make sense.
How am I making sense? It's the wrong number. I don't know who the person is.
How you know say the wrong number? How you know that? Because from coming out the car, you don't have your phone. See your phone the right so how you know the wrong number? You're not even take up your phone if you go look back and if you see who really send you the voice note. Yeah, tell me right now the wrong number. But you not even look for see for the right number.
Man. I didn't do nothing for no burger. Why would I do that? Why would I fuck somebody for a burger?
you keep on doing for fuck somebody for a burger.
But why would I do that? Like, that would lower my standards.
So you just say you don't know the you just say you know the device note, but you just say burger. Fuck for burger straight.
That would lower my standards. It definitely lower my standards if I do something like that.
Yo, I'm not gonna know you again. Go on your blood. Like,
babe, we have to go.
You need to get face stand from.
Babe.
Look me on man. Me no talk we talk. Your baby and a nice girl so far. And you can't even fucking get yourself out of the problem.
Babe, I didn't do nothing with her. With them.
There's not time for you.
Babe, where you going? Alright, y'all. Y'all, I gotta go in this house and make sure he don't do nothing stupid, y'all. I gotta make sure I call her and let her talk to him to make sure that he knows that this was a prank, of course. Y'all, this video was so lit. Y'all, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all comment Team Tay in the comments. Okay. Alright, y'all, so if y'all have not subscribed, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, subscribe. Like this video, and don't forget to drop a comment down below. Team Tay. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video.